As you can see, there is a green dot below its profile and active now is also written next to it. So today I will tell you all in this video that how you can turn on and off the activity status in Instagram. It is a very simple step for this. But after the new update has come in Instagram, everything has changed. Everything has become messy. It has become here and there and here and there. So watch this video till the end. If you all want to turn on and off the activity status in your Instagram, then first of all you have to click on the profile option. So see, my profile is at the bottom here. I have clicked on it. Now, if you see an option of 3 lines up here, you have to click on it. Now, if you see an option of settings and privacy, you have to click on it. Now you have to go a little higher here, a little up. Now here you will see an option of messages and story replies, so you have to click on it. And here is your setting, which setting you are looking for with great anxiety. So here you will see an option of show activity status. So you have to click on it. And now you see that your activity status is visible here. So as you can see now that our activity status is showing here. And this is also on by default. So we were going to turn it off today. So we have got this setting. So just simply turn it off. So see, when you turn it off, then now you all stay online on Instagram for 24 hours. Talk to whoever you want. No one can see you whether you are online or offline on Instagram. You can talk to anyone. You will not see any green tick or green dot or active now status anywhere. Come on, I will show you its live demo. I went back to the messenger icon here. And see the green dot here. If I close it and open it again, then it will move now. See, even if you refresh it now, it will not move. Because I don't know what bug is inside Instagram. It takes time to update. So see, we closed it. Now let's open our Instagram app again. And here we go again to the messenger option. And here you can see that the green dot that was visible is now not visible. You can see that if I come inside that friend's chat, then see where we were seeing active now first. So you can see that where we were seeing active now first, now its user handle is visible there. So in this way, you can turn off your online activity status for any friend or anyone on your Instagram. Later, if you have to turn it on, then what you have to do is open your Instagram app again. There is a profile option at the bottom here. Click on it. And then you have to click on 3 lines here. Now you will see an option here. You have to click on settings and privacy. Scroll down here. You will see an option here. Messages and story reply. So you have to click on it. Then you will see an option here. So activity status is to be clicked on it. And here you can see that show activity status is now closed. You have to enable it. So see, it has been enabled, and as soon as you enable it, now you will see a green dot inside any friend. So you can see that a green dot is visible here, and he must also be seeing your green dot. So in this way, you can enable and disable it. When our activity status was off, we could see the user ID here. Now we have turned it on. So here you can see that active now is visible. So in this way, you can turn off and turn on all your activity status in your Instagram. How did you like this video? Do tell us by commenting below. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Take care till then.